Hey, what's up, guys? And today we are playing this new game I found out. It's called Angry Bird Transformers, and I've just heard about it a couple days ago. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's all about. So I've been playing this game for a pretty long while.
Hold on, guys. I gotta get my cat. A little bit.
Yeah, I'm just playing with my friends we were playing together. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it's like you can see all the Angry Birds and stuff. Like here's the Bumblebee is like what is his name, Chuck or something. I'm sorry guys if we have to watch a video. It's probably gonna make okay, never mind. I was gonna make me watch a video. So I'll show you what you guys are trying to do. So there you go. There's Chuck, but he's a transformer, so he's Bumblebee. So you're gonna shoot those when there's metal things. You shoot those and like you get this little power up thing. And like you shoot the pigs with your rocket, like your transformer, and you shoot. The pigs are like your enemy. And like you can call in a bunny, but I said bunny. I'm stupid. Buddy to help you. So like I'm just playing, and yeah, really. Oh, get out my stupid way, pigs, fucking pigs. Okay. So it's a pretty good game. Like kind of strategy. Like yeah. He told me about this game, and yeah. And guys, go check out our Musical.ly account. I'm gonna make a video about it, so go check that video out later. I should be posting it later today. I'll be showing you my Musical.ly. And one reason I'm doing this game is because game reviews I've heard are really famous, so I'm trying to get more subscribers. I really need more, like a lot more. I think other people do stuff like this. But I love all you guys who subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you guys are awesome. We have only like, I don't know, I'm not gonna say it. Okay. Okay, so let's blow this up. It's getting pretty close to the end. Oh, it's a flying pig. Sorry, that's my friend who's playing. I showed him about this app, and he's playing with me. Look at that front flip right there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the whole game. So really, let's see how much pigs I collect. Wait a minute, guys. Let's see one pig. Wait, don't worry, I'm not gonna try to make you watch the video. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. You gotta watch this video. It's gonna make me. Like, want you guys to stick around. So while it's happening, let's take a little talk. So, I did this game review because my friend showed me this and he told me it was a really fun game. And I'm gonna be doing my music for you. So if you guys wanna follow me on music for you can. And yeah. And go check out my wait a minute. Go check out my friend's channel, Y Guy Ghost, Y Guy, and then space and Ghost, and it would be heaven if you guys subscribe to him and subscribe to me. It would be awesome, and thank you guys. So let's see. Nope, I don't want that. Okay, so let me get some rewards. Select. So I'll see you guys all later. Make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And yeah. And I'll see you all guys next time. Stay creepy, stay awesome. See you guys later.